So we're unboxing the PNY XLR8 16 gigabyte RAM. This is a 2x 8 gigabyte dual channel RGB RAM, which has up to 3200 megahertz. It's currently on sale up until tomorrow, I believe, in easy peasy for only 3,575 pesos. And as you see, we got the black RGB Fusion ready, which is also compatible to my MSI motherboard, which is an MSI B450 Bazooka M+. Let's see how this opens. Let's flip this open. We have DDR4 dual channel, 3200 megahertz. Right. And there you go. That's how it looks like. That's a thing of beauty. Alright, let's hook it up to my PC then. Alright, so let's switch out our RAMs. This is my previous Ramsta 16 gig memory chip. So if anybody's interested, you guys can score this from me. I didn't have any issues with this previously. I just needed stronger memory, at least. So we're going to be attaching it to the second and fourth channel, depending on how you look at it. We're just going to be putting it on these two black slots. First one goes in. Click. There you go. On to the next one. Slide it as so. And then push it down till you hear a click. Check if they're aligned. They should be. There you go. That's the clip you're looking for. And we're good. Let's now see if this will post. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.